Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the word you want to turn into a clickable link. Once selected, make sure you have the destination URL or email address copied. If you're in a web editor or word processor, use the selection tools. If in HTML, prepare the anchor tag. This step matters because a precise selection avoids broken links and accidental punctuation. Now that your word is highlighted and the target is on the clipboard, move to the link insertion command without delay. You now insert the link using the editor's link command or keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+K. On a Mac, use CMD+K. Paste the copied URL into the dialog and confirm that the display text matches your selected word. Make sure to choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new tab for user experience considerations. If you're editing raw HTML, wrap the word in an anchor tag and include attributes such as rel and target to control behavior and SEO. You finish by applying the change and visually inspecting the link's appearance to ensure it reads correctly and matches your style guide. Then click the link to test. Verify it resolves to the correct destination and opens in the tab behavior you chose. If the link does not work, check common issues: missing HTTP or HTTPS protocol, accidental extra characters in the URL, or the editor stripping tags. As a troubleshooting tip, paste the URL into a plain browser tab to confirm the address itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.